iCherry Farm is a DeFi yield farming platform that helps the users make as much profit as possible from their crypto assets through the provision of the liquidity to DeFi decentralized finance protocols. And whenever you stake any pools in iCherry Farm, you will receive a referral link. When someone you invite using your own referral link, you will each earn a commission. And it's the best thing. For example, if you have any type of crypto, you can simply stake that crypto on iCherry Farm. And simple, for example, if you are going to mine some iCherry on the Tron and then stake anytime, unstake anytime and get the rewards instantly. That is the best part of the iCherry Farms.
Feel uninvited.
It's a main platform of the iCherry Farms, and here you can see the two basic options, the USDT Homestead and the second is ICH and TRX LP New Start. So basically they are giving you chance to, for example, first of all you have to do one thing, you have to download the Tron link which I will share in the description, so you can easily download that one and then you can make the account on that and simply you can start staking your different cryptos on the iCherry Farm. So it's a great thing about this main platform. Here you can see all the things are available, and the special thing which I am going to share with you, that is basically a Medium post. On the Medium post they tell you each and everything, that how you will get the commission from your each referral. For example, here you can see when your referral invite your friends successfully, you will get the 3% of your F1 stake amount, and from your second friend you will get the 1% of the stake amount of your friend, and the third one same you will get the 1% of the stake amount of your friend. Here you can see the Twitter main page of the iCherry Farm where they elaborate all the things about their project, and you must have to join their Telegram. I will share the link of the Telegram also in the description, so you will get all your answers very easily. So it's your time to grab the opportunity and you can easily buy the iCherry Farm tokens, and also you can stake other tokens on the iCherry Farm. So it's a great thing for you to grab the opportunity because the time is moving on and you have the chance to make some good profit with the holding of crypto. No need to hold the crypto in some wallets and and you will not get even a single penny. But if you are going to stake those cryptos on the main platform of the iCherry, then definitely you will get some good profit, and with that profit you will even make and you will even buy some more good tokens. And the best part of the iCherry Farm is this, that it's 100% decentralized. So it means that all your assets are in your hands. So no one is going to have your assets and your assets will not be lost at any time. Everything will be in your hands. So it's the time to grab the opportunity right now. At this time you can buy this token even, and also you can stake some good cryptos on the main platform of iCherry Farms. Very soon this token will be available on the CoinTiger exchange, and the best part of the iCherry Farm is this, that the token swap. Now what is this? Basically the ICH iCherry has been whitelisted on the Just Swap. So it's a great thing about the whole platform. So definitely the price will increase with the passage of time, and right now the facilities and the usage of this token is entirely big. So definitely it will grow in the future. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.